OntarioLoval.com here at the Delaware Speedway getting ready for the Great Canadian 200. Fan appreciation time, fans out on the track. Nice little touch before a big race.
Great touch, you know, you got to have this stuff. It makes the race all that better, and yeah, we can't get any better day for this for sure either.
Now, you had a good qualifying effort, and unfortunately the redraw dropped you back a spot. Didn't play into your favor, but still starting up front means a lot.
Oh, I mean, it means everything. I'd rather be up front than at the back with some not so great cars or whatnot, but me and Johnny are starting at the front. I think he starts 5th. We talked a little bit, and hopefully he'll be nice enough to let me in.
200 laps, and you're newer to the late model division. What does this type of race bring to you in a mindset way? How do you approach this differently than a regular Friday night?
I have to take my time at the beginning for sure. I'm used to going hard right off the green flag on a regular Friday night, but here I'm going to take it easy the first 150 laps or so, and then the last 50 laps and definitely get on the throttle for sure.
A lot of folks help you get to where you are right now. Who would you like to thank?
For sure, Global Warranty, Siskins, Spencer Steel, Hype Energy, and Burl Auto Body.
All right, that's Matt Pritico down here getting ready for the start of the Great Canadian 200. I'm Greg Kilnan for OntarioLoval.com.